Assalamu alaikum dear students. Ajuk son use topic chu such as a difference between digital and analog computers. ये मैं categories of computers वन में कि basically वन में तक मुझ digital computer क्या गो analog computer क्या गो तो hybrid computers क्या गो तो इसके साथ videos में इसके क्लास में पढ़े हुए कि फर्क क्या है एक इस digital computer से किस analog computers. What are the main differences between the digital as well as a digital and analog computers? That we will discuss it in today's lesson, today's topic, today's video. Let us start without wasting the time. Dicosmic computers करो इतना discuss. गोडनसी करो digital computers के आगे that go analog computers. Main differences क्या हैं? Goodness, yes. Digital computers the digital computers works on digits. Goodness difference है digital computers digital computers works on digits, whereas analog computers works on physical quantities, physical natural quantities, natural values quantities. Go man what is just difference between the digital computers and analog computers is that the digital computer works on digits. That means they operate on digits. Digits means numbers, whereas the analog computers works on physical or natural values. They works on physical value. For example, length. For example, temperature. These are the analog physical quantity, natural values, quantities, physical values, whereas digital computers works on the digits. That means the digital computers works on discrete values. Discrete data, the values. The analog computers do operates and works on continuous data. वो main या difference है, yes main फर्क है. अगर digital computers से analog computers सच है ये digital computer discrete value, not on continuous. That means they operate on binary 0 and 1. 0 to 1 values on patch karani operate. Binary language, binary values on patch. Digital patch, binary digital patch. Whereas analog computer continuous dot on patch karani. That's gaps ki hai. Continue. Because this computer financial akhmuch prasta cheez kasan 0 and 1. 0 से karan denote for off voltage. 1 karan denote on voltage. क्योंकि इस कंप्यूटर से इस पता voltage current aspect. 0 for off, 1 for on. Go attention gaps gasan. Power से युवान rekan chu flow pachu gasan rekan gasan. Go off and on. 0. That means finite data aspect karani. Yet anchuka finite data. Malovat. Finite data aspect karani asay digital computers. यो क्या होता है countable data. Countable से countable you say गजरई थाको 0 1. Whereas this analog they works on a continuous infinite data. Infinite को यत्न का अंदेशो. For example, अगर numbers from 1 to next numbers. Action andita. 1 to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 वो action बुझे end चुना के on that numbers the analog computer works. Whereas digital computers, they operate on the finite data. They operate on discrete values, while the analog computers operate on the continuous data. This is the main difference between the analog and the digital computers. Okay. Third one is that in digital computers, the result are output. In digital computers, the result or output is obtained after complete computation. Go in digital computers, the result or output are obtained after complete computation. That means there is constant instruction computers divided into digital computers. Taken result is x plus y या a plus b क्या सही c. अगर 3 plus 4 दिमो a for so go 7. That means there is 3 plus the 4 करानी add purchase output हावानी 7. Go after completing this instruction, this computation, the result or the output has been obtained, has been displayed by the digital computer. Whereas in analog computer, the result is continuous. Attention, continuously. For example, the temperature how it is continuously. Heart rate continuous. Go here. The result or output is obtained continuously. Go attention, after the completion of the instruction, after the completion of the computation, the result is obtained in digital type of computers. Whereas in analog computers, the result is continuous. That's obtained output continuously. That's in customers analog computer. The next one difference between the analog and the digital computer is that the cost of the digital computers is high as compared to the cost of the analog computers. This cost is digital computer market expensive. It's one the digital computers are expensive than analog computers. Go, digital computer team drake analog computer. This is one more difference. Whereas analog computers are cheaper than digital computers. Analog computer digital खाते सस्ते क्या होना है In digital computers, the output is in a human understandable format. Digital computer में जिसका output नहीं आ रहा है, सुच इंसान है कहाँ, सुच आम है इंसान है कहाँ easily understand करे. That means they are in the form of the numbers. For example, अगर fewer चीज़ शायद कौन से digital computer आसान चाहे thermometer, उस तरह से digital तो क्या काल पत्ता कसान values. That means that is the example of the digital computer. So you easily understand can't touch as particular can't specific training can sometimes use because right yeah now I like it says is put difference the result or output oblique output are digital computers are human understandable human and understandable. That means they can be easily understood by the layman, by humans, easily. Whereas the output are result of analog computers are in the form of graphs. In the form of graphs. Yus result asan cha analog computer man such asan graph ki shakli man. In order to read the graphs, in order to understand the graphs, there must be a special training. There must be a special knowledge. Kahti graph read karne khatra, graph में information karne khatra से जरूरी आप knowledge. Go on इंसान है किसको easily कर understandable क्या? For example, इंसान का heartbeat से machine चला गया हस्ताल में heartbeat को touch का सांती में कहते हम पकाना सांती waves. तम साथ सु हकों आप layman तकन गसान छु सुचिन हकां सु मुझे एमिस क्या अच्छा heart patient क्या नचस. क्या ताकि के साथ doctor इस तरह के असल पोचस समझ. तवाई लगने का output or result of analog computers are in the form of graphs, which requires a special training, special knowledge in order to understand that graphs. Graph te kanti graph samjhin khatcha zaruri ki education graphs knowledge asin. To whereas in case of digital computers, such training, such knowledge is not required. Ach muchen pewan tim chizar zarurat kya. Puhachim kada sa and pathada shame point. Shame catch you. Digital computers are general purpose or general in nature. General purpose computers. While as analog computers are used for special purposes. ठीक है वो आमतौर ये मर्सी एनालॉग कंप्यूटर छे किम चीज करा इस्तेमाल साइंस इंजीनियरिंग the sciences. Usually the analog computers are used in medical and science, medical science and engineering. Whereas the general computers are used in all types of, in each and every field. That it may be an education field, it may be a medical, it may be engineering, it may be astronomy, it may be a business. That means the digital computers are used generally in each and every field. Whereas the analog computers are used for specific purpose. Both they are specific in nature, they are general in nature. So far as the usage of these computers are concerned. Go general digital computers general purpose khatra istemal kun education khatra heko kare business khatra heko kare engineering khatra crafting khatra. Whereas analog computers have restrictions. Tim kara istemal as koi field and khatra. That means they are specific in nature. Okay, this is one of the another difference between digital and analog computers. Next, second, the digital computers are slower than analog computers. The analog computers are faster than digital. Go so far as the processing is concerned, the digital computers are slower. They are slow. They perform the computation slower as compared to that of the analog computation. Analog yes, operation is slow, time for the analog. They use analog to switch and fast. Condition digital. This is one more difference. Next one. Next one is storage capacity. storage capacity of digital computers is very high, is high. That means yum digital computer chip, storage capacity very zyada. They can store a large amount of data, The computers, the digital computers are able to store a large amount of data. That means they have a large storage capacity, secondary storage capacity. Whereas analog computers have no or small storage capacity. So far as storage capacity is concerned, the digital computers can store a large amount of data. They have a large storage capacity, whereas the analog computers have no or small. Some computers are without some analog computers are without the storing capacity, while some have but a small storing capacity. They can store a limited amount of data. Okay, this is one more difference. There are difference analogous to digital computers. In digital computers, the programs can be reprogrammed. Whereas in analog computers, it is not possible. It is not. It is possible कि इस कोई प्रोग्राम करे क्या है डिजिटल कंप्यूटर में हको बस प्रोग्राम लो काटो का चेंज दे बन क्या है वजह से ये बिकॉज़ द प्रोग्राम्स आर स्टोर्ड इन द सेकेंडरी डिवाइस सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज पैकेज that हकान या स्टोर करे इस प्रोग्राम कस डिजिटल कंप्यूटर में while in analog computer it is not possible क्या है possible because तक सेकेंडरी स्टोरेज तक स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी चलता था तीस की है तक रिप्रोग्राम हकान इस कर दी अगले दो पता करवा चेंज पता सिर्फ सेकंड टेक्निक से किया this is the another difference between the analog as well as the digital computers. The dark picture, the digital computers example. You must digital. Tak much one examples of digital computers. Tak much you must one laptops che, so one desktops che, go laptop ya, so one personal computers che. You want to chalawan, so one laptops che. Palmtops. These are the examples of digital computers. Whereas in analog computer, thermometer switch as digital thermometer switch off example of analog. Yeah, hospital heartbeats machine. That is also the example of the analog computers. Hope that difference it is digital computers, it is analog computers. These are the two different categories of the computers which are in the market. So, आमतौर पर market में computers है, mainframe computers है, mini computers है, या micro computers है, they are digital in nature. The hope कि या समझ till next video. Bye. See you. Okay.